Okay, turning now to new coronavirus concerns. Federal health leaders are investigating a new potential risk between the Johnson & Johnson vaccine and a rare neurological complication. Lindsay Ward joins us live this morning. And Lindsay, what exactly did they find here?
It's a rare side effect, David. It's being called Guillain-Barré syndrome. This is where the immune system attacks the nerves. The Centers for Disease Control said about 100 reports of this disorder were detected out of the almost 13 million doses of the Johnson & Johnson vaccine that were administered. Now, of those 100, reports showed 95 were serious and required hospitalization. One person died. According to the CDC, the cases have been reported about 2 weeks after vaccination and mostly in men, many of them 50 and older. This news is yet another blow to the Johnson & Johnson vaccine. It was just a few months ago when the CDC put a pause on the vaccine after reports of a small group of women developing a rare yet severe type of blood clot after getting the J&J vaccine. Now, after more research and investigating, we know that the pause was eventually lifted. Health experts say, though, the good still outweighs the bad.
We are positive that this vaccine is extremely effective in the real world, and relatively speaking, when you talk about the risk benefit, it's quite safe. The idea that it hasn't been approved yet is a technicality, the way the FDA does business, about having to dot all the I's and cross all the T's. But if you look at the data, I would be astounded if this did not get full approval.
Side note here, this is a bit of a tense time because the highly contagious Delta variant is spreading rapidly across the country. It is now in several states, and health professionals, even the White House, have been pushing people to get vaccinated. Now, as for the other vaccines, we're talking about Pfizer and Moderna. There doesn't appear to be an increased risk of the Guillain-Barré syndrome, but much more research and discussions will be done on this. Heather?